Yip, 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 yow.
Now,
Yip, yip, yip,
yes,
yow.
listen there to this.
Yip, 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 yow.
Oh, we once had a home where we just loved to roam and hunt rabbits and squirrels all day.
Then man moved west and did his darn best to chase all our victuals away.
He built corrals and pens for the lambs and the hens, and he fenced in the open prairie. There is no doubt he's crowding us out. He's making life plain misery.
Yip, 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 yow. Yip, 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 yay.
We howl all night and we prowl all day.
Yip, 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 yow. Yip, 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 yee. You made our life play misery. Oh. You made our life play misery.
Oh, you took our domain, this is plain inhumane, made our life an intolerable one.
You hung a price around our old necks and hunted us with dog traps and guns.
Oh, our life would be grand if you'd just leave our land. We were here before you, don't you see?
So pack your bag and move her away and give back our lonesome prairie.
Yip, 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 yow. Yip, 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 yay.
We howl all night and we prowl all day.
Yip, 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 yow. Yip, 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 yee. You made our life play misery. Oh. You made our life play misery.
You say we're a pest, just a thief of the West, 'cause we live by our wits, don't you see? We love our place, the wide open space, just footloose and all running free. We are scoundrels, you say, and you keep us at bay by the standards that you all have set.
We know you've tried to keep us hog-tied.
We don't want to be a dirt cat.
Yip, 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 yow. Yip, 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 yay.
We howl